Welcome to our new and exciting campaign to create a stunning 24-hour automatic timepiece, made in part from one of the most iconic aircraft ever to be made, namely the supersonic Concorde. Rather, Concorde GAX-DN, known as Concorde 101, the fastest Concorde ever, which holds the world speed record for a commercial flight. So, in collaboration with the Duxford Aviation Museum, based in the UK, we are proud to present the all-new Strom's GAX-DN automatic 24-hour timepiece. Each timepiece has a dial tag made from material taken from this 50-year-old history-making Concorde. The material is taken from the underwing air intake unit, which houses the Rolls-Royce engines. So now you can wear this little piece of history on your wrist with the new Strom's GAX-DN timepiece, which uses some top specs usually found on more high-end watches.
We at Creamy Patina live for the dreamers, the horological schemers, the grail watch seekers. At Creamy Patina, of vintage watches we just can't get enough. So much so, in fact, that we've made them just for your cuff. We're proud to introduce our iconic watch collection, an homage to the game changers ripe for your horological inspection. Our first collection offers the chronographs that changed history, packed into beautiful cufflinks so everyone can see. We translated our 15 years of vintage watch experience onto paper, so our in-house design team could titillate our master creator. After months of experimenting in factories worldwide, we finally found a manufacturer who's on our side, who understood the magic of horological perfection, so we could bring forth to you this iconic watch collection. At Creamy Patina, we live for the dreamers. Please continue to support our campaign. We're humbled by all the believers. Gosh, I've not worn this since university.